Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you a cool new trick to multiply any number by 11. So if you didn't know, I already made a video of multiplying any number by 11, and this strategy is a different strategy, but that strategy in the other video is a lot easier. So I'm going to put the link to that video in the description. But anyway, let's begin. So before we start, you want to make a diagram like this. So in between is the number that you're multiplying by 11. And then you want to draw two lines and then zeros. And the zeros are just there to make things easier. So if you don't put the zeros there, you're just going to be multiplying to nothing. So the zeros are just kind of there for a visual. So now let's begin. So first you're going to look at the ones place. And then you're going to look to the left and see if there are any numbers. And yes, there is. There's 0. So you're going to add both of those numbers together, which is 3 plus 0, and you get 3. So you're going to write down 3. Then we're going to move on to the next number, which is 2. And then just like before, you're going to look towards the left, and the nearest number is 3. So you're going to add 2 plus 3, and you get 5. So you're going to add 5, or write down 5. And then we are going to move on to the next number, which is 1. And then you should know by now that we're going to look towards the left, and the nearest number is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So you're going to write down 3. And then our last number is 0. And I'm not going to do an arrow anymore because you should know that 0 plus 1 is 1. So then you have your answer, 1,353. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem, which is 11 times 139. And in this problem, you'll need to carry over, so be prepared. So the first thing you want to do, just like before, is look at the ones place, and then you're going to go towards the left, and you get 0. So 9 plus 0 is, 9 plus 0 is 9. So you're going to write down 9. Now let's move on to the next number, which is 3. And then 3 plus 9, because 9 is the number towards the left. So 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 is a 2-digit number. So here's where you'll need to carry over. So whenever you have a 2-digit number, you need to carry over. So you're going to take the ones place, which is 2, and you're going to write that down instead of the whole number. Then you're going to take the 1, which is actually a 10, and you're going to write that down somewhere else, and we're going to save that for later. So our next number is 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. But we have this 1 from before. So instead of just adding it normally, we are going to take this one and add it to this one, which gives us 2. So instead of just adding 1 plus 3, we're going to add 2 plus 3. And 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we are going to write that down. And then last but not least, we have 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So you're gonna write down 1, and then you have your answer, 1,529. And I have the calculator, and we are gonna check our answer. So 11 times 139, which is 1,529, which is the answer that we got. And I don't think that we used the calculator for this problem, so I'm going to use it for this one too. So 11 times 123 is 1,353, which is the exact answer that we got. Okay, but anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend that may need help with their 11 times tables. Bye!